Can you say good morning? Say good morning, everybody.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, everybody. Long time no see.
Well,
We have been very busy, working, not really anything important, finishing up odds and end trim on the house, which we're still not done. Preparing for a few things that are coming up, and sorry, he's running underneath the tripod. Hey, please stop. Thank you. Hey, come over here and stand beside me. Okay, stay right there. Don't move. Good. So in preparation for our chickens that are supposed to ship Monday, 2 to 3 days. So Wednesday to Thursday they should be here. Take out my sunglasses. So they'll be here probably Tuesday, or probably Wednesday or Thursday. We don't have anywhere to put them. So, but I do have a watering trough, a cattle watering trough that I was going to use for other things and decided not to. So it's actually sitting right over here to my right, and we're going to make a chicken brooder out of it. I do have to run power inside the house from the breaker box to the outside, or a wire to the outside, so I can have a plug for the heat lamp. So that'll have to be done today. And I'm very sorry, but the wind is blowing. It's supposed to get up. They were predicting 18 to 20 miles an hour today, so if you hear a lot of wind, I'm very sorry. What else do we have to do today? I'm not really sure. We have to get a chicken brooder built. That's the priority. And we have to get electricity ran out. That's priority number 2. That's it. Welcome to the Saturday edition of Old Spring Roots. Thank you for joining us. Alright, so now that I got you turned around to where it's so bright you probably can't even see, let's see if I can angle you down just a hair. Yes. You want me to play cow with you? Okay, hold on a second. I'm coming.
from a stick.
What about the sticks? So you want me to play cow with you?
Yes.
You ready?
Yes.
Please do not learn or watch how I rope.
Daddy,
'Cause
I
it's-
won't pull the cow over again.
It's a big no-no. It's not.
Pull the
I
cow.
miss more than I
Daddy,
rope. Okay, thank
I
you.
won't pull the cow over again.
You won't pull it over again?
No.
You ready?
Yes.
Missed.
Yes.
I got one horn.
Ow.
Watch out. Here, there you go. Thank you.
You're welcome, Daddy. You tell me. You tell me, Daddy.
Well, I don't know, buddy. Got him.
Yes.
You're gonna release him? Thank you.
There you
Oh,
go.
thank you.
Daddy.
All right, back to work. All right, square this one. Is this one square? Yes. everybody. Welcome back to the Sunday edition of OldSpringRoots. Sorry for all the noise. As soon as I started recording, there was a plane started to fly over. The dryer's going, and of course the wind is blowing again today. Not as bad as yesterday, but it's still blowing pretty good. So today we're going to continue our chicken coop, chicken accommodations work. Yeah, I don't really know what to call it. Anyways, we're going to run some electricity from the breaker box to the outside. I've been wanting to do this anyways. The chickens just kind of bumped it up on the importance level because with an electric smoker that needs to be plugged in somewhere. Charging batteries for drills, those need to be plugged in somewhere so I don't have to keep running in and out of the house. Vacuuming out the vehicles, it'd be nice to run an extension cord instead of having to crack a window and go inside and plug it up. So yeah, this will actually be very nice to have an outside plug. So I'll show you what the finalized chicken brooder looks like. It's not anything amazing. It's just to get us by. We got our poultry netting in. I'll kind of set that up and kind of look at it and see how it goes, or see what kind of area we're going to be able to run the chickens in here in a couple of weeks, couple of weeks to a month. Let's get started on the Sunday afternoon chores. Alright, so I forgot to hit the record button where I was doing electricity, but I got it on there, got it in, it's all good. But we also got our chicken netting in, our perimeter fencing, if you want to call it. Over here on this side, the house there, you see the driveway over there. This is the only section of cattle fencing where we have electric fence. Now, read the instructions on the perimeter fencing. There are specific requirements for your charger. Be sure to read them. Ours meets the requirement, so we're good to go. All I gotta do is connect to our electric fence that we use for the cows. We should be good to go. If I'm wrong, it'll just burn up. Man, there you go. That's how it's done. It's the first time I've ever done that before. Ever. Man, I just took it out of the box this morning. That's a pretty good little area for the chickens to have, come in here and hang out for the day. It's going to be a couple weeks before they can get in here though, so. That's the main predator right there. So, back up here on the porch, got our coop ready. All I got to do is put shavings. I got another bag of shavings over there. Put our shavings in. Here's our weights to keep it. We'll see if these weights do any good at keeping the cat out of it. And got us a barrel, a feed barrel with it's got 2 bags of feed in it right now. But here's all of our stuff to get started. I need to put that on our electric fence, like we have so many guests. But got all our equipment for chickens. Got some grit. I didn't really know where to get grit from, so I just went to I get this at Tractor Supply. I think I got this at Tractor Supply. So I got that, but here's our plug. I just ran it down, came out of the wall, put a pull box on it, ran it down the wall to a outlet to where you can plug in and close the lid on it. So I thought that would be better than just a one with a cap on it where you have to open it and plug it in, and the cap stays open. So I figured that might be a little bit better, but we'll see how it goes. This is just a trial run. We're gonna see how this brooder does. We might build a more permanent brooder that actually has a lid, and it's a more of a structure than just a watering trough. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. This could be the best thing ever. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. So for the rest of the day, I think I'm gonna go play basketball with little man for a little while before it's time to go in. Yeah, it's pretty late in the afternoon. So yeah, thank you for tuning in. We'll see you guys on the next video. Hopefully the next video we'll be going to the post office to get some baby chickens. We'll see. Y'all have a good one. God bless.